I'm here to talk about scientifically correct skincare for 2023. The most scientifically correct that gives people the most visible results the most quickly is, and state of the science is chirally, chirally, chirally correct skin ingredients that are in your skin products. And what does that mean? That means chemically correct. And what that means is that every ingredient, there's no just a few actives, that every ingredient that's in your skin products are chirally correct, which means that the body has a receptor. The skin cells, every cell in your body has a receptor for ingredients which are, they enter the body. Number one, chirally correct products penetrate the skin because the body recognizes it, recognizes those ingredients. It wants those ingredients. It's joyful to get those ingredients. It needs those ingredients. And it turns on a good function and not a bad function. Because there's some ingredients that are chirally neutral, which means that 50% of what you're spending your time and money on, the body just discards them, doesn't recognize them, doesn't know what to do with them, so it just does nothing with them. Chirally correct skin ingredients, the body recognizes it, turns on a good function, and what does that result in? It results in fine lines, melasma, enlarged pores, acne, the inflammation of rosacea and eczema, and whatever skin condition that you have or whatever cosmetic concern that you have, it resolves much faster and you see it. So it gives you the best visible results. So every ingredient in your skin product should be chirally correct, which also means that they are not inflammatory. Inflammation increases aging. It turns on a good function so that your body then responds by as much as it can, turning back, slowing down the clock, getting rid of the things that you hate that you're looking at, including aging, as much as skin products can do. So chirally correct is what for 2023 you should be doing. And your skin products, in order to be optimally therapeutic, in other words, to give you the best visible results the most quickly, which is what we all want, they need to have every ingredient in that formula needs to be an active at the maximal percentage. And that way, everything that you're putting on your face is causing the best possible results that you can do with skin products. So you're slowing down the clock as much as possible. You're turning back the clock as much as possible as you can with skin products. Yes, there are internal things that you have to do as well, but 2023, to do what's the most scientifically correct, you need to be using chirally correct and maximal strength, and that is with ingredients that are chirally, that are chiral, number one, CHIRAL, and chirally correct. Hope that helps. Knowledge is power, and scientifically correct knowledge is what you're looking for to achieve the results that you are spending your time, money, and trust to do. Thank you.